Hey, let's tie an Arkansas tradition today. This is a micro jig, and it works great either on a swing or under a strike indicator. Here are the materials, and it's basically a woolly bugger without the chenille that's tied in a micro or small size. Like always, we wrap our black thread around the hook, starting from the front going back. We wrap our tag around the thread, then continue wrapping toward the back. And then we trim the tag. Now we take a small pinch of the olive marabou feather and we wrap it around right behind the head. Notice I'll pull the extra and pull it back and then wrap around that. That cinches it down better. And so this particular version, we're also going to put, we're going to make it a little thicker. So I added some more on top, and by doing the layering like this, it holds it on better as well. Okay, next we'll take a little pinch of black marabou and loop around it. Now you want your string to be tight and right behind the head, but be careful you don't break your thread too while you're doing this. Finally, we'll do a whip finish knot right behind the head to hold it on good. Now we'll pull that tool down to the fly, and now we'll cut the thread close. There we go. Okay, next we'll take our, this is a permanent marker that's black, and what I'm doing is I'm coloring the silver head and making it a nickel color because I don't have the nickel heads. And now I'm taking UV epoxy, the flow level, and putting it on right on the back of the head, letting it roll around and make a collar, and that also helps hold the feathers in. And so it takes about 10 seconds for that to be done. So there you go. That's how you tie a micro jig in olive and black.